If you're a course creator looking to scale your business and reach more students, Mailchimp is a powerful tool that can help you manage and grow your email list, send automated messages, and promote your courses. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Mailchimp for course creators to streamline your communication, build your audience, and increase your sales, so make sure to stick around until the end for some exclusive tips. First off, Mailchimp is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy to get started. You can sign up for free and use many of the basic features without spending a dime. That's right, you can access the full functionality through the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses, which makes this a great choice for course creators just starting out or looking to scale. Now, let's dive into the essentials. The first thing you'll want to do is create and segment your audience. In Mailchimp, you can build multiple lists or segments based on various factors, like the courses students are interested in or their level of engagement. This allows you to tailor your communication to specific groups and provide more relevant offers. Next thing is creating your email templates. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed templates that are perfect for course creators. You can customize them with your branding, images, and course information to make sure your emails stand out. Whether you're sending newsletters, course updates, or special promotions, having a consistent and professional design is key to keeping your audience engaged. The third thing is automating your email sequences. This is one of the most powerful features for course creators. You can set up welcome emails for new students, automated follow-up emails after course purchase, and even email reminders to boost engagement. Mailchimp's automation feature ensures that your emails are sent at the right time, without you having to lift a finger. The fourth thing you'll want to explore is Mailchimp's analytics. After sending emails, it's crucial to track their performance. With Mailchimp, you get detailed insights on open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data is invaluable as you refine your strategy and make data-driven decisions on how to optimize your course marketing efforts. The fifth thing is integrating Mailchimp with your course platform. If you're using platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi, Mailchimp integrates seamlessly with these tools. This allows you to automatically add new subscribers to your email list, trigger welcome emails, and even promote specific course launches to the right audience. Finally, don't forget about Mailchimp's landing pages and sign-up forms. These are fantastic for building your email list and collecting leads for your courses. You can easily create professional-looking pages without any coding, so visitors can sign up to receive updates about your courses, free content, or promotional offers. To wrap up, using Mailchimp for course creators can help you save time and increase your reach with email marketing automation, engaging designs, and detailed analytics. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your email marketing strategy, Mailchimp has everything you need. Before you go, remember that you can access Mailchimp's full suite of features for free from the link below, plus exclusive bonuses that'll help you hit the ground running. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips, and check out the extended free trial offer you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching!